Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to mute and unmute someone's notes on Instagram. So actually it is very easy. First of all, of course, we need to open Instagram, and here as you can see I'm on my profile, and from my profile I would like to click on my followers to see some people that I want to mute notes or unmute. So for example, I'll go to this guy, and for example I want to mute notes from this guy. To do this, all I have to do is to simply open his profile and click on the following button just next to the message button. Now I have here a little menu, and I need to simply click on the mute and select here notes. So basically now if I go back and refresh the page, basically it means that now all the notes from this guy are muted, so I won't see them. And if I want to unmute notes, I have to do the same steps. So click on the following, go to mute, and as you can see it says notes, and just simply toggle off the notes option right here. And if we go back, refresh, we basically unmuted the notes from this person. And basically that is it. That is how you can mute or unmute notes on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.